Do you wear wigs, extensions, sew-ins, clip-ins, ponytails, falls, toppers, wiglets? Do you suffer from hair loss due to alopecia or chemo or just age? Have you ever contemplated wearing a wig but you just feel overwhelmed? Then I want you to join me Monday, December the 6th at 7 p.m. for our Words of WIGSdom event sponsored by Lavish Hair Company. My name is Joska with Lavish Hair Company, and I want to personally invite you to our Words of WIGSdom event. At this event, we're going to be diving deep into everything that pertains to wigs. We're going to be talking about installation, styling, caring for, and what wig works best for your lifestyle. So also we're going to be talking about different hair loss solutions. And did I mention that this event is 100% free? So all you have to do is click the link in the bio or click the link below and register for the event. You guys, your journey starts here. So be safe, be blessed, and stay lavish. And see you on the 6th. Bye.